Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix your Google Classroom app problems, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Google Classroom. We'll search about it in this page. Then we click on First Stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone, and when you will wait a moment to turn on your phone again, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your phone again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.